Hey everyone, Leo with Dreaming Tree, and welcome to the assembly video for our New Year's Eve props. This is going to be a yearly freebie. I kind of like the fact that this video will be the last for this year, kind of closes the chapter to 2023 and opens the door to 2024. Behind me is a video I took of our 4th of July celebration with my family sitting there watching the fireworks. One of the best displays I've ever seen. I like to kind of have something, relevant on the screen behind me as I do these videos. But anyway, we're gonna put these little guys together. They're very quick and easy, and I invite you to make some. And I know that we always share projects in the Dreaming Tree group, but I'd love for you guys to cut these out. And technically we're sharing projects, but take a picture of yourself and post it in the group. You can have a little New Year's Eve celebration in the official Dreaming Tree group. I'll put the URL up on the screen there. So anyway, let's hop right into it here. We were gonna make them with the parts that go over the ears, but this is less paper, it's a lot quicker, and I'm just gonna take and hot glue a dowel to the side there so you can pass it. You don't have to worry about it getting broken. It's pretty disposable. So as you can see here, very simple. We got two different ones. One that says cheers, and for those that will not be partaking in adult beverages, we have one that has just the year on it, which is nice too. So just nice and easy with the glue here. This is a, what is this? This is a gold foil, and I'm working with my favorite, and that's sarcasm, my favorite types of paper to close out the year. We've got glitters and foils, but it was a wonderful, wonderful year as far as Dreaming Tree is concerned, as far as life is concerned. I'm really looking forward to 2024. I'm gonna make some personal changes. Every year you wanna try to kind of continue being and working on your best self, and I'm going to strive to do that. I've got a certain vice that I need to put aside, and I'm going to swap it out for a guitar. Maybe even start a band this year. We'll see. Doing classic rock and maybe some country covers. I don't know. We'll see. Never was a big country fan until I met Liesl. Can't say that I still am a huge country fan, but I've got a few artists that I really do like. Okay, so we're gonna pop this is a black glitter that I had left over from Halloween, and it turned out to come in handy. I'm pretty sure I got this from 12 by 12 cardstock shop. So there you go, just 3 layers. And just to make sure that everything sticks nicely, I'm gonna just give this one extra little press and pop that underneath my mat and let that dry flat while we work on the other one. Okay, and this one is, again, 3 layers, very simple, very quick. I know you're probably thinking to yourself, I'm done crafting for the rest of the year, but I bet you're gonna go in there and make one of these. Why not? But I do want to say thank you to everyone that has supported us throughout the year. We went through some changes as far as art direction and product development, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the offerings for most of the year. I am very happy with the direction that we're going, and do want to say thank you to our past art director, Ron Gutman. I'm sure that he is still busy creating and making beautiful things. I want to thank Diana for stepping up and really kind of, just doing a wonderful job. And of course, Mike for taking care of you guys when I'm busy in here doing this stuff and working on marketing and partnerships and figuring out why my technology isn't working, making it look and sound good. So Mike, thank you again for another wonderful year of taking care of all of our fans. Okay, this last piece is, you want to make sure you match that up with the little stars there. I'm not really even talking about how to put this together because it's pretty self-explanatory, I'd say. Okay, just make sure you get that aligned nicely. And again, I'm putting glitter on foil, so it might take a little extra time to set. I'll pop that underneath my mat and grab the first one here. So that dried nice and flat. I'm going to power on my handy cordless hot glue gun, and then literally all I'm going to do is just take this, and I think, well, I'm going to be biased towards right-handed people. I'm going to put that on the right side, probably keep it straight, I think. I'm going to just do it straight, and for some reason that is turning red. I don't know why, but it should be getting warm here in a second. And I don't know why I do that, but I do. It usually just comes right off. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue just right in this little area here. Make sure you give it a little dipsy-do. And just pop that right in there. Press it down. You can probably go down a little further just to ensure that it gets a good hold. And don't jump the gun, but there you go. There's one. I'll let that dry before I mess around with it too much. And I'm not sure why that's red. I'll grab the other one, and I have another dowel over here. Hopefully it's dry. Oh, of course. I accidentally got it in some more paint. Let me wipe that off real quick. Okay, well, you get the idea. And I'm gonna put that one here. So just throw a little glue right there. Nice and easy. Pop that into place. And let that set. And there we go. Pretty cool, actually. Not too shabby. So that is going to do it for 2023. All the best to you and your family. Love, money, health, family, all that good stuff. Hope you have a wonderful and safe New Year's Eve. I hope to see your selfies featuring these freebies in the group. Here again is the URL. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you next year.